Hello, my name is Wojtek Huser, and I worked at the Laboratory for Informatics Development at the National Institutes of Health Clinical Center. I would like to introduce a video summary of our perspective article titled Developing Genomic Knowledge Bases and Databases to Support Clinical Management, Current Perspectives. This article is published in the journal Pharmacogenomics and Personalized Medicine. In our article, we use a figure 1 to introduce the problem. We consider genomic input data on the left, mainly. Obviously, there are some non-genomic input data as well to consider, but we focus on the genomic component. And with these two inputs and a third input of knowledge bases and databases, we focus on interpreting genomic data in the context of an outpatient encounter with a physician specialist with a patient. Our article contains two main parts where we analyze knowledge bases and patient-level databases currently available. Before we go to these two main topics, we introduce what we consider for our genomic input data. We focus on a scenario where a patient has obtained through non-research funding whole exome sequence. The first part, we talk about knowledge bases which can help interpret the whole exome sequencing data to personalized care to this patient. We define knowledge bases as resources which contain aggregate knowledge and no patient-level data. In our Table 1 of our article, we list those various knowledge bases, such as online Mendelian inheritance in man, or gene ontology, or dbSNP. We specifically define patient-level databases as another set of genomic resources which, unlike knowledge bases, do contain individual patient data. For example, the latent open variation database may contain data on 170,000 individuals. However, it's limited to that one gene or the region of interest for that particular locus-specific database. We briefly showcase a case study where we provide off-target incidental findings to 543 patients, which is based on a prior research project at the NIH Clinical Center. Finally, we list some informatics future points which we see as important, such as consolidation of multiple knowledge bases into fewer resources, focus on clinical bioinformatics and clinicians. We also will predict that there will be growth of patient-level databases, and we analyze why they are important for a future. We show that the reference sequence is still a moving target. It is 38, released in December 2013. And we also point to the fact that storing genomic data within current commercial electronic health records or personal health records is still a challenge. We hope you would enjoy our article and you would learn something new. Thank you for your attention.